How to delete a Google account. Hi guys, so in this video I'll teach you how to delete a Google account. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end. It's pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do that, let's head over to the Play Store. And from there, just click on this profile icon right here. Click on Google account right here. And once you're in there, just click on data privacy right here. So let's click on that. And once you're in there, just scroll down and scroll all the way to the bottom until you see this delete a Google service right here. So click this right here. But if you actually see, you can actually click on this delete your Google account on the more options. So click on more options right here on the delete Google account. And this will typically ask you for your password, so just enter that. And as you can see, you just need to read this because, as they say, it's not the usual yada yada. You can download your data right here. And when you scroll on, as you can see, all of these apps will be deleted. So click on yes, I acknowledge, yes, I want to permanently delete the Google account, and click on delete account right here. And actually that, as you can see, your Google account and all its data has been deleted. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you delete the Google account. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below. And if not, don't forget to subscribe and like. Thanks.